Have you been yearning for something more, something deeper in your spiritual life? Have you been wondering how you can make a positive difference in this world we live in? As Christians, we identify this yearning as a call for a closer relationship with God, a call to be the church in the world. Each of us is uniquely gifted for this work. Sometimes it's hard to recognize our gifts or know how to offer them. A prayer from the baptismal service asks God to give the newly baptized an inquiring and discerning heart. Discernment is our attempt to know God and ourselves better in order to live more faithfully day by day. Discernment is a way to become more aware of God's presence in the world around us and in our own lives. It's about asking questions and exploring possibilities. It's about discovering our joy and how that joy can benefit others. Hi, I'm Kate Galluli. My call has been to walk with people who want to listen for God's voice with others. I have created a process with Bexley Seabury faculty to help you find your pathway for being a part of God's mission in a more concrete way. I would like to invite you to join a small group of people who will be companions on your journey. A trained facilitator will help you to build circles of trust, to learn about other servants of God, to practice new spiritual disciplines, and to read and reflect about discernment and the ministry of the baptized. The process includes time with your group once a month via web conferencing for 6 months, as well as about 2 to 3 hours a week of readings and exercises for spiritual growth for you to do on your own. Who knows? You might learn some new practices you can carry into the rest of your life.
Learn more about Discerning My Path for Faithful Living and the programs available from Pathways for Baptismal Living at bexleyseabury.edu/pathways or contact us at pathways@bexleyseabury.edu.